Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Valorant update stuck at 0%. Okay, so I had this problem myself. Now it was not 0%, it was 0.1, and then it started working. And on the other computer I had the same problem as well, but it's different, like 30% stuck at 30%. So I've tried different methods to fix this problem. I tested myself different ways to fix this problem, so I'm gonna share with you what worked for me. I hope it's gonna work for you as well. Make sure you watch this video till the very end so you don't miss any part of this video. And now let's jump right in the video. Okay, so make sure you also leave your results in the comment section. Let me know if it worked, and subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate it. So now the first thing that you have to do to fix this problem is to press on your keyboard Windows logo plus S, and here write allow an app through Windows firewall. Play and click on the best match. Here what you have to do is click on change settings and then click on allow another app, and then here click on browse. Alright, and then here in browse click on Riot Client Services. Click add this. If you can't find it, it's located in this PC, in the C, and then in the Riot Games, and then in Valorant Live, and here we have Valorant. Add Valorant, click on add, and then blue strap package game, click enable private and public. You have to check both of these boxes 1 and 2 for private and public. And once you've done that, what you have to do now is to add another thing, and which is Valorant. Here in Riot Games, go to Riot Client and here add the Riot Client Services. Open and add. I already have it in the list. So Riot Client, as you can see, check both of these boxes and now click on OK. Now the other thing that you can do to fix this problem is to go to right click on open network and internet settings, and then here go to advanced network settings and then more network settings, and then here what you have to do. Now here go to your internet connection. Sometimes I'm using my cable connection, sometimes I'm have some hotspot from iPhone, depends, but yeah, click on properties. And because we're here, because we are talking about, you know, changing in internet, because I mentioned cable connection, make sure you also change from your Wi-Fi connection to your cable connection, or vice versa, or changing, you know, to cable connection to Wi-Fi. Because for me it looks like I'm better off using my Wi-Fi connection instead of cable, but for a lot of people cable connection it's actually much faster, so it depends. Make sure you try that. And now let's move back to our topic at hand. So it is this method, which what you have to do here is click on properties, and here use the following DNS server addresses. Click on here, enter 88888844, click on close. And now what you have to do, because we're here in this page, click on Windows updates, and here make sure you update your Windows, and as well as click on advanced options and then click on optional updates, and here you should see a huge list of updates available for you to download. Alright, so make sure you download the latest updates for you. For me, there's no optional updates available at this time, but this list was really huge for me, like literally 20 updates listed, driver updates listed here for me to download and install. Alright, now the next step is we need to upgrade our graphics drivers. So for me, I use GeForce Experience. I have a GeForce card, a basic GeForce card, and if I click on drivers here, I can click on check for updates, and then from here I can click simply if there's a available driver for me. I will just click on and there is one, as you can see here, available, and I just have to click on download. Alright, there's another way you can do this as well, and you go to device manager, and here go to display adapters, right click and update driver. Okay, then search, and then it look to see if there's any available driver for you. Now the next method, also right click on Riot client, click on properties, and here go to compatibility, and in here make sure you check disable full screen optimization and run this program as administrator, and also click on change hide DPI settings and click on override, click on apply and OK, and do the same thing for Valorant. Okay, disable, run this program as administrator and change DPI, and here make sure you check this box, apply and OK. Okay, that's perfect, guys. And also you can also now to make sure you close any apps that's running in the background, so close to task manager, and here in task manager you just check tab on network, click on network, and here if you see there is an app that's just consuming a lot of network percentage, or it's consuming a lot of your network, it's taking a lot of your network, make sure you right click on that app and click on select here end task. Alright, so now another method that you can try, if you have advanced and any other antivirus, you can add an exception. I created a video how you can do that on my YouTube channel, so make sure you check my other videos. But I'll show you on my antivirus that I use, which is Windows Security. So here how you can achieve that is head over to virus and threat protection, manage settings, scroll a little bit down, and here you should see exclusions. Click on add or remove exclusions, and then here we have add exclusion. I already have here listed all the exclusions for Valorant, so click on add exclusion, click on file, and then here click on local disk this PC, and here let's go to Riot Games, and then Valorant and live, and then here select Valorant, and then let's go back, let's go to Riot Games, then Riot Games, and then here select Riot Client Services. So that's what you have to do, and this pretty much that's the end of this video. I hope this video helped you. I really hope now you can play the game. Make sure you leave your feedback down below and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.